What's up, guys? So Eid Mubarak. Last 1 week I cannot upload any video because of I had some relatives, I had some health problem. But from now I will regularly upload video. Okay. So in this video I will tell you very important things about dropshipping. In this year, dropshipping is very hard. If you are very smart and expert, if you know the secret, if you know the strategy of dropshipping fundamentals, then it will work for you. But uh, I regularly I checked almost 500 stores. Okay, please listen very carefully. Every day average I 500 stores check, and I see only 1% stores are getting good result, not sales, only getting good result, like they are getting traffic. So I hope they will get sales within few weeks. So why the other 495 stores are not getting good result? The only one reasons is the main reasons is the product choosing. I always tell you that be expert in product finding, product choosing, and then come to this sector. Otherwise, you never gonna be success. So my message in this video, if you want to really make a successful store, successful dropshipping business, so please be expert, be smart in the winning product finding section. Okay. Otherwise, if you focus on store creating, store design, branding, no, you have to go step by step. So the first step is winning product. So what type of product will work in this year or upcoming next few years? Number one product is health, fitness, problem solving product. Okay, this product's 90%, 80 to 90% it will work. And then toys, hobbies, lifestyle, pets products, but don't focus on clothing product. Okay, clothing, food products, please don't focus. So that's it. This is the message for my video. As a Muslim supplier, I am working in 5 years in this sector, and I'm very proud to give almost 100 plus client my good service. So if you need any service, just comment below or email me. I will help you. So thank you so much.